Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sixth Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 14. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wenjiao and Yulian, the two of them are having a meeting. Miss Su, please take a look at this information first and we will talk about it later. The girls said to them, right now, Wen Zhao, she was really looking at the paper. This girl said, Chow Chow, is this the injury on your mouth better? Or does it still hurt? Well, why suddenly this girl got interested to her, especially asking this question? It somewhat become rude, right? They're on the meeting, and they're talking nonsense. They were really in love, had both been, and they could still pretend to mention it in public. If it nothing had happened, Lilian said to herself. Now, it seems that she was really jealous, right? But Wen Zhao said to her, Miss Gu, you don't need to worry about my injury. Oh, at least right now, she really defended herself. But, Chow Chow, your lip makeup looked great last night, and the lipstick I think is really matched with you. She was declaring her sovereignty to everyone. She was really infatuated with Su Wenzhou. Oh, since it was a meeting, also a lot of secretary was there. Right now, Wenzhou said, Miss Gu, you misunderstood. Lipsticks I used last night was a gift from you. No, my sister, she loves beauty. Lipstick is the same as with her. I see her look beautiful. I buy it on myself. Oh, what is she talking about? Right now, Wen Zhao, she seems to be good at defending herself. Miss Su said, that's it. So, Miss Gu is trying to pretend that they're really being together. Well, it was a stalemate right now. Speaking of her sister, I haven't seen her for a long time. If I have a chance, some other time I should treat her for a meal. But Yulian suddenly looked at her. What kind of look is this? What tone? What friendship? Well, she was really confused, right? Miss Gu, Julian, it seems that she's getting angry about Miss Gu saying things. But let's leave the private matters outside the company and let's talk about the business. Oh, she was really great then. Gu said, okay, do what you say. Although I have never been in love, I don't know how normal people interacted, but Guwan's saying words and deeds were all too showy. Su Wenzhou don't feel ashamed either. Oh, it seems that he was really jealous. Wenzhou was looking at her. Yes, she is not ashamed. I was the one who's got involved in the relationship and who I am to speculate on the relationship. The secretary stood up. Secretary Shaw, please introduce this cooperations project to everyone. Miss Su, we at the Maomin Media plan to carry out the depth cooperation with CK Bicho. Oh, the following video is really explaining about the topic of the meeting. Half an hour later. Finally, it seems that the meeting will be over. Miss Gu seems to be. The four online dramas brought to you by Guwan Sings are all produced by IBS. Even if she wanted to please Su Wenzhou, she could not make such a decision on behalf of Miao Miao. Su Wen, Mr. Su. Now, she got really interested. She really knows something else. CK has two products, one is CK Bicho and the other is CK Entertainment. Mamian wants to acquire CK Entertainment on the condition of these cooperations. They're quite ambitious by exchanging investments for company. So it turns out it was a real deal. Maomyun being us only exclusive authorization for the film and television dramas. Our goods should not be short of money. Why can you attract investments? In other words, we don't have to cooperate with Maoyun. Turns out she was a great talent. This is the greatest sincerity we at Maomian can show you. If you have any objection, I will send you the letter of intent for the contract tomorrow. Right now, Su Yulian, it might not be sincerity, Miss Gu. Oh, that she really knows Wells right now. Well, she can easily adapt on this condition. Skip a low profile when you are a lover. Why should argue with the masters? Our users are women between the ages of 15 and 35. So does this mean that you had really a great idea? And among the words you wrote, two of them are male IVs. Well, Julian, she has really have talent, right? In shorts, your grades are all good, but we are contrary to the positioning of our platform. Wen Zhao is backing her up again. Heard that you will hold the last quarter's investments conference in 2 months. I wonder how many upcoming dramas you have in your inventory that you can use, Mr. Goose said to them. Welcome any company to food film and television drama. We also accept concessions from the investments, account sharings, but there is one thing you cannot touch: Seek Entertainment. Sue, let's stop here and let's talk again tomorrow. Sue and Zhao said, of course, Miss Gu, let's walk slowly. And it seems that Zhao Zhao, your sister has not changed in all these years. Miss Gu said to Zhao Zhao. What do you up to? Zhao Zhao is asking Miss Gu. But right now, don't do anything. I'm leaving. Remember to eat well. Right now, Miss Gu. Well, it must really sick. But right now, Julian. It's really sweet, but it's a pity that it is anxiety. She looks really disgusted. Although right now, since she was really interested, Gu Wanxing information. All the relevant information about Gu Wanxing is here. There's something special about this person, no wonder you can forget her. Oh, right now. Sister, what are you looking at? She was on her back right now, and it really makes sense. She suddenly put down her phone. Of course, she wanted to know information about Miss Gu. It really makes her rattled. Sister, does she still miss her? She got really jealous and she don't want to admit it, or maybe she don't realize that she's falling in love with Wen Zhao. Thanks for supporting this channel. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!